Dentist Associate Agreements. 5 areas that need to be covered in writing. Hello, I am Attorney Boyd Shepard. I am a lawyer in Houston, Texas. I provide legal services, representation, and counsel for Texas dentists and hygienists. Welcome. Thank you for watching the LegalDental.com YouTube channel. Please remember to click the red subscribe button just below, and please also click the notification bell to receive notifications when new LegalDental.com videos are uploaded. To learn how you can earn 1 free hour of state board approved continuing education credit in the area of risk management from watching this video, please go to LegalDental.com or click the link in the description below. In this video, I will be discussing Dentist Associate Agreements, 5 areas that need to be covered in writing. First, a few words on the need for a written agreement and why a written agreement is highly recommended. Practitioners will often agree with only a handshake, avoiding the effort to get a written contract. Complicating matters further, the potential associate dentist is oftentimes excited and in a hurry to get started. Most of all, the new associate is ready to make money, and for these reasons will jump right in on nothing more than a handshake. In either case, operating without an employment agreement puts both parties at risk for legal problems later. Verbal agreements do not memorialize the agreement as well as a written document. The written agreement is to state the terms of the relationship and ultimately should protect both parties. The language of an associateship contract must be clear as to who is responsible for what, or the duties, and what the consideration or compensation is for each party, the employer, and the associate in the performance of those duties. What contract language will protect the associate dentist? Who you are dealing with will generally dictate what kind of contract you are likely to end up with. This will vary from practice to practice. This is why it is a good idea to have a contract reviewed by an attorney, who can recommend specific language to add, as well as the deletion of unreasonable terms. Depending on the circumstances, it may be advisable to have your attorney negotiate the terms. The following are 5 areas which should be covered in any dentist employment contract. 1. Term of the agreement, renewability, and termination. Dentist employment contracts are usually for 1 year and then will automatically renew absent notice of termination or renegotiated terms. 2. Notice. Terms for providing notice are usually required to be in writing and within a specified time. Most employers want long-term notices of at least 180 days. It is recommended for employees to negotiate for a shorter notice period, like 30 days. The longer the notice period, the higher the risk of production being restricted, and thus a reduction in compensation while waiting to move on. 3. Employee versus independent contractor. Will your agreement pass the Internal Revenue Service and Texas Workforce Commission's criteria for the definition of an employee? 3 characteristics are used by the Internal Revenue Service to determine the relationship between businesses and workers: behavioral control, financial control, and the type of relationship. Behavioral control covers whether the business has a right to direct or control how the work is done through instructions, training, or other means. Financial control covers facts that show whether the business has a right to direct or control the financial and business aspects of the worker's job. The type of relationship factor relates to how the workers and the business owner perceive their relationship. 4. Compensation. This paragraph should cover base salary and/or percentages of collection or production, and the frequency of pay, vacations, and sick pay. 5. Ownership of patient records. Does your agreement comply with Rule 188 of the Texas State Board of Dental Examiners rules as to the maintenance of patient records? In closing, because professional employment is a complex legal matter, a written employment agreement is always highly recommended. Again, sound and conservative advice, get it in writing, and the key is enforceability for both parties. I hope that you found this video to be helpful and educational. If you have any questions about this content, please comment below or feel free to contact me, Attorney Boyd Shepard, direct by email. And please check out the LegalDental.com website for more information, online courses, resources, and guides for legal and business issues that arise in dental practice. If you need assistance with any legal matter pertaining to the practice of dentistry and your dental license, there are 4 ways that I can assist you. First, subscribe to the LegalDental.com Law Library to gain access to numerous online courses, resources, and guides for legal and business issues that arise in dental practice. Second, subscribe to the LegalDental.com YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to make sure you are notified of all future videos that I produce. Third, click the link below for the More Details page and learn how you can gain access to my free course, How to Make Your Dental Records Complaint-Proof. And fourth, go to LegalDental.com to schedule an appointment for a consultation with me, Attorney Boyd Shepard. Use the promo code LegalDental to reduce the cost of your consultation by 50%. And don't forget to learn how you can earn 1 free hour of state board approved continuing education credit in the area of risk management from watching this video. Click the link in the description below. Thank you again for watching.